Hey folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jax Beach, and today I'm standing on the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. This is an absolutely amazing boat. Starting back here in the aft section of the boat, first I'm going to point out this boat is powered by a Mercury 400 V10 Verado. It gives you plenty of power to get out in the water and do any activities that you want to do. You'll notice also back here in the aft section, this boat has a full swim platform that gives you access to the dock from either side. Also back here in the aft section, you have a freshwater washdown both here in the stern as well as in the bow, so you're not tracking stuff into the boat. Gives you an option to wash down when you're jumping back in the boat from the water. Of course, the Sea Ray SLX also has this beautiful sun pad with remote controls for your radios back here, so if you're in the aft section of the boat, you have complete control of your radio and other controls while you're enjoying the sun. If you want to spend a little time out of the sun, this boat also has a manual shade that pulls out over the aft section and gives you great sun coverage from the elements while you're out here on the boat. You'll notice this boat also has full sea deck throughout, making it very comfortable to walk through. But one thing about the SLX that most people don't realize is the SLX is kind of an upgraded version for the Sea Ray model. What you'll get on the SLX is a U-shaped seating arrangement, so you're not sacrificing anybody back here in the main salon area. Plus you'll notice higher end diamond stitched interior. Of course, underneath all these bolster seating, you have RGB lights that really illuminate the boat during the evening or the nighttime, as well as you have a projection of the Sea Ray emblem down from the top of the tower. Now this tower is also very unique in that it will lower down like a clamshell. Instead of moving forward or back, it'll lower down. So if you're needing to get into under bridges or not, you can easily lower the boat by simply pushing the boat. I'm pushing the button here on the side, and the top lowers down. It also is great if you get into bad weather. You can lower the top down so you're blocking some of that incurring rain on your face. Up here at the helm station, you're going to notice twin Simrad screens. Of course, you have fully integration with your screens here, so you have controls of your RGB lighting, you have controls of your radio controls, lots of functionality on these screens, and you can set them up however you like. You'll also notice on the seating arrangement here that these seats will move around so that both the captain and the co-captain's chair are not sacrificed from being part of the conversation in the back of the boat. So these chairs will swivel around, and that way it can be part of this main salon area. The other great feature on this boat is the head compartment. It has a nice full-size head with overboard macerator. It's a great size head space for a boat this size. And then when you move up into the bow section, the comfort features continue just like in the rest of the boat. You have great seating arrangement up here, plenty of space. You have optional table input here as well as in the back section. You have nice comfortable armrests that you can lounge back and just enjoy the sun out here in the bow of the boat. Of course, with the SLX series, you also get a full windlass. And as I said before, you also have the freshwater washdown up here in the bow. If you're interested in this boat and like more information, you can either contact MarineMax at www.marinemax.com, or you can come by our dealership here in Jax Beach. Again, my name is Will Porter. Would love to see you out here. Thank you so much.